Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring iPhone 16 software is current because updates often fix camera bugs. Next, force close the camera app and reopen it to clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't change zoom behavior, restart the phone to reset hardware interfaces. Make sure to back up recent photos before proceeding with deeper steps. This protects your files if you change settings or reset. Once done, open camera and test pinch to zoom. Note whether the lens switch behaves differently to guide the next actions. You now test each lens to find the problem. Manually tap the 0, 5, 1x, 3x or tele options while observing viewfinder alignment. This isolates hardware from software issues. Then, toggle off features like photo capture outside frame and smart HDR. These can alter zoom behavior by combining sensors. If inconsistent, reset camera settings inside Settings Camera to restore defaults. Make sure to retry zoom after each change, so you can pinpoint which setting or lens caused the issue before moving to hardware checks. You finish by applying system-level remedies. If settings and resets fail, update or reinstall iOS to remove corrupted firmware. Next, run diagnostics via Settings Analytics to flag camera hardware errors. Look for camera or lens fault entries. If diagnostics show problems or zoom still stutters, contact Apple support or a certified repair. The telephoto motor or OIS can need calibration or replacement. One troubleshooting tip: test with third-party camera apps. If they reproduce the issue, it's almost certainly hardware-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.